Okay, good morning, my people. Welcome back to the channel again, D Mac again. All right, I'm in St. Elizabeth, Pasture Lane, and this is where I stay for the night. Look at the lovely house over there, and here you have a tank here. Some of you guys remember these are the tank in the countries. Look at it, and I get a beer this morning, fresh and nice from the tank water. All right. Right over there, we have some gardening. So we are going over there and show you guys some scallion and stuff like that. All right. All right, guys. It's a cassava. I don't know if a bitter cassava or a sweet cassava, but all I know is a cassava tree, this one. All right. And come over here. It's a gungo tree. But them one are young, Them just a come up. Okay. And we go over here, so now this tree here is rosemary. Nice, we make tea and stuff like that. And now over here we have some scallion. Look at it. Scallion right around. Alright. Alright. This a thyme over here, so. All who don't know time, see this a thyme. So we just cut off the thyme and it keeps springing up. As I go now? Yeah. Alright, see one here, so. Alright. Alright, guys, we're leaving pasture now, and look over there. All those are sweet pepper, Look at it. No, that's a sweet pepper. Oh, tomato over the back there, and this is sweet pepper. Okay, nice. A lot of farming going down here. All right, give a good look at it. Look at this. Look at the sweet pepper. See them there? Whoa, nice. Watch it. Look at that. Let me hold it. Let me zoom it up. Make you see it. See it there? Right at roadside here. Whoa, some big sweet pepper on it though. Alright, so we are continuing our journey, And those are cabbage over there, so. Alright. See the next tree here, so this is zucchini. Oh, then just start blossom. Nice. St. Elizabeth, man. We are let farming go on. A lot of farming. Wow. Where we go? Turn left. Oh, we go right. Okay. This is Southfield, St. Elizabeth, little town as St. Elizabeth, Alright. Moving along. Okay, guys, we reached Top Hill, St. Elizabeth. Right. So we're moving along. Alright. give you a view of top hill St. Elizabeth. Wow, we're up on the mountain here. Nice, nice view. Alright, come to our last stop in St. Elizabeth. This is train line Littis. We'll get some cow skin soup. Where you sell sir? 3-2 Kalalo. Alright, soon come. Alright. This is where you get the good cow skin soup, huh?
Yes, sir.
Really? Whoa, what a big pot. What?
Excuse me.
Whoa. Look at the pot. I look like it's super good, sir.
Nice lady. Hi, darling. Morning, my baby. How you doing? Long time to see you.
Yes.
You look nice and young. Thank you, darling. Thank you, baby.
Oh, this is what?
Yes, but
They
we
have
want
drops.
something.
Greater Creek. Oh, this is banana bread. Okay.
No, this is cassava.
What?
Cassava.
Gazava?
Cassava, yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Gazava.
and this is banana bread.
Yeah, I know banana bread, but the
And
Gazava.
these are drops.
Yeah, me know drops.
Yeah.
Okay.
One to drink. Me know, man.
Yeah.
Medium size.
Koski, a Koski now what them sell here. The Koski now.
Yes,
Rice and yam. Oh, okay. Wow.
Skin with broad bean.
All right, guys. When you're in the area, you stop and get your good cow skin soup right here, so. All right. A big pot for fire there. One with enough cow skin, you know.
What size for you?
Huh?
What size?
That what size like that one?
This one here? The big one.
What? Yeah, the 500, yeah. Okay.
Sorry?
Yeah. Yeah, so these are the wood where they use to pick up the cow skin soup. Logwood. Alright? Alright. This is a cow skin soup you raise any dead. Body cow soup. Body cow skin soup at Jessica place. You know, at the train line. Alright, Jessica, take care, yeah? Yeah. Alright, that's it for this one. You buy a bumper color now and so. Alright, that's it for this one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, man.
This is free.
This is one of the three.
This is
When you cut them this morning? Oh, film garden. Okay. Oh, this morning cut them?
201.
Oh, 200. Okay. Okay, me prefer this one. Prefer this one, you know? So 200 for this?
200.
Okay.
System
Eh? Okay. Alright, more on this one. Alright, I'll take two of them. You have bag?
400.
Yeah, 400. Alright, back up them two here for me. Alright.